Hi guys, this is Remy here. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much to my current subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. Also on the notification button for one of our post a video, you could be notified. You will see the little bell. Click on it, okay? So today I have a quick DIY for you. Let's get into it. Okay guys, this beautiful Pre Poo, you need it, especially if your hair is tangled and your hair is dry. You had it in some protective style for a long time. This right here is the truth, okay? It had amazing sleep in it. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. But guys, as you know, for you to do any pre-pooing, you will need some type of oil. You can use avocado oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, any kind of oil that you want to use. All right, so for me, I'm using Mixie by Kinethia, which will be linked in the description box below. This oil is amazing, okay? Amazing for pre-pooing, amazing for hair growth, amazing, beautiful as well. So you will need a few things to do the DIY, okay? I know, guys, every time I get on here, I'm telling you guys to buy something. Trust me, I'm not trying to make you guys go broke, but the things I'm trying to tell you guys to buy, you need them in your house, especially if you are a natural babe, okay? You need them, especially fenugreek seeds or fenugreek powder. You need that. You need it. Get it on Amazon. So this is one of the products, okay? You need fenugreek powder or fenugreek seeds. You will need some mushrooms. Get some organic mushrooms. Get you some dry roses. It doesn't have to be dry. It could be fresh roses. Just get you some fresh roses or dry roses on Amazon. Also on Amazon, okay? Amazon getting all our money. Get you this herb, which is ambuni. I will post it. I will list it in the description box as well. You need that, okay? So once you have everything, put them in a bowl and pour some hot water in that bowl. Cover it for 30 minutes and then pour the solution in a water bottle. That's not a spray bottle because as you see, it messed up my spray bottle, okay? Because I think a piece of herb stuck into the hole. I'm sure that you guys know the steps to people in your hair, but just in case if you don't know, let me know in the comment section below. Pre-pooing normally it's before shampoo. Some people use shampoo for their hair. Some people don't like using a lot of shampoo, and some people don't use shampoo at all. And I don't like to use a lot of shampoo. I use shampoo once a month or whenever I see that my hair needs it. Okay, so let me know if you pre-poo your hair every time you wash your hair, because a sis over here, I don't have the time for that. But let me know in the comment section below if you do that and what method that you use to do that, or what product do you use to pre-poo in your hair. So in this video, I skip the step of using shampoo. I just do it with conditioner, and that's it. To go eat. Okay. Food is always a good idea. Who doesn't like to eat? Who doesn't like to eat? But guys, have you seen the 11 styles you can do with your old twist video on my channel? If you haven't seen it, go see it. And that's the old twist, okay, that I just shoot the video. My hair wasn't that dirty, so that's why I decided not to use a shampoo this time on my hair for this video. But if your hair is dirty and you know your hair is dirty, please do use a shampoo, but make sure that you use a shampoo that's not going to strip your hair, to strip all the nutrients that you just add to your hair. All right, but use a shampoo if you want to. Guys, am I the only one? I be having a whole conversation in my head, like a whole conversation. So right after I was done, I put a shower cap on, leave it for 30-45 minutes. But if you have a dryer, you can leave it up to 15 to 30 minutes. It's up to you. Unfortunately, I didn't show you guys the process of washing my hair. I'm sure you guys have seen me wash my hair before. And if you like to see how it looked, so go watch my wash and go video, because that's the same night that I did that, and I did the wash and go as well, okay? Then I'm going to cover with some plastic. This time I'm not gonna do the wrap, I'm just gonna do a shower cap and just leave it for probably like 30 minutes, and then just use leave-in conditioner to wash it out. I'm not going to use shampoo. Okay, so that should also cleanse your scalp and everything as well. That's it. You're not gonna see me wash my hair or anything else. See, it's very moisturizing. And sleep. There's a lot of sleep to it. Oh, see? A lot of sleep. So Pre Poo. If you want to, you can do shampoo, but I don't want to do shampoo. I don't want to do shampoo, baby. Baby. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day and weekend. I will see you on the next video.